Hello everyone, welcome. Yesterday, we have here the Saturday newspaper on May the 7th, and I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in additional of the Wednesday edition, Wednesday, May the 4th, because on Friday, yesterday's newspaper also no additional, so I have solved the day before the rest of the puzzles of Thursday. So the Thursday edition is solved completely. So now, today on Saturday, I will do the Wednesday edition, and tomorrow on Sunday, we have no newspaper. I will do the Tuesday edition. Alright, we have here 3 puzzles left: the Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic. Alright, so let me start with the Letter Sudoku. Let me zoom this out. Yes, let me zoom this out. And this will be number. Wow. Come on. Yeah. This will be number 4518. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, it's a 1-star. And for 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for Letter Sudoku, I need more minutes. 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve a Letter Sudoku. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the H? Oh, wait. The letters that I can use, the 9 letters, are the H, the C, the G, the I, the R, the P, the O, the T, and the Y. Alright, and the goal is to solve this word in this column. Alright, H in the first column, H in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the H should be here. Y in this row, first row, Y in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the Y should be here. The R is missing. The T in this column, T in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the T should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, O is missing and the R is missing. O and R. We have an R there, no R there. R should be here. Now goes there. C, G, and H. G and H. Okay. All right. We have a pair here in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the O and I. We have O and I in this column, so no O and I in these 3 boxes. We have O and I in this row, so no O and I in those 3 boxes. So the O and the I goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay. Y. Oh. O in this row, O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see there, no, O there. O should be here. O in the first column, O in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the O should be there. 2 missing letters in the third column for the letters. The R is missing and the I is missing. Yeah. The R and the I. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here, and the R goes there. So now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letter C is missing and the P is missing. C and a P, C and a P. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here, and the C goes there. 2 missing letters in the first column for the letters. P is missing and the I is missing. P and I, we have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the P goes there. Y in this column, Y in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the Y should be here or there. We see there Y, no Y there, Y should be here. Y in this row, Y in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the Y should be here or there. We see there Y, no Y there, Y should be here. Y in this column, Y in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the Y should be here. Y in the last row, Y in the row above. So that row, only place left for the Y should be here. And all the Y's are used. I can see digit number 1, letter number 1, letter Y. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letter C is missing and R is missing. C and R, C and R. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here and R goes there. All right. O in the last column, O in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see there, no O there. O should be here. I in this row, I in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see that I, no I there. I should be here. Now we have an I there. So this box can't be an I anymore. That box should be an I. And this box should be an O. O in this column, O in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the O should be here, here, or there. We see that no O there. Here, no O there. Only place left for the O should be here. And all the O's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter O. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an R. We have an R in this column, so no R in these 2 boxes here, and R in this row, so no R in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R should be there. Okay. All right. T and the H. 4 missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the T and H. We have a T and H in this row, so no T and H in these two boxes. The T and H goes in those two boxes. H and a T, H and a T. So two missing letters now in this big square. For the letter C is missing. And the G is missing. Yeah, C and the G. C and the G. C and the G. All right. So one letter is now missing in this row. For the letter P. Yeah, P is missing. PP. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is P. We see a P in this row, so no P in this box. Here, P in the middle column, so no P in that box. So one box left for the P. Should be there. P. G and a T. Two missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the G and the T are missing. G and a T, G and a T. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and a T goes there. Now we have a G there, so this box can be G anymore. That box should be a G, and this box should be a C. C in this column, C in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the C should be there. C, C. Two missing letters in the middle column. Those missing letters are the H and the T, H and the T, H and the T. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here, and H goes there. One box left in this big square for letter H. One box left in the second row for the letter G is missing. Yeah, G, G, G. Two missing letters in this big square for letters P is missing and a T is missing. P and a T, we have a T there, no T there. T should be here and a P goes there. Two missing letters in the first row for letter C is missing, and G is missing. C and a G. CG again, CG. Right. Two missing letters in this row for the letters C is missing, and H is missing. C and H, C and H. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here, and H goes there. Now we have a C there, so this box can be C anymore. That box should be a C. This box should be a G. All right. And now, one box left in the last row for the letters T. T is missing here. T in the last column, T in the column next on that column. The only place left for the T should be here. Two boxes left in this row for the letters R is missing, and the R and the P, no, the R and the R and the H, R and the H, R and the H. We have a H there, no H there. H should be here, and the R goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters R is missing and the G is missing. R and a G. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here and the G goes there. G in this column, G in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the G should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. I is missing and the P is missing. I and a P. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here. And I goes there. I in this column, I in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the I should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters P is missing and the H is missing. P and H, P and H. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here and H goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. I like this one. And the word is copyright. Yes, copyright. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.